Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Wi-Fi password on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So here is my iPhone 15 and here is another device I want to share my Wi-Fi password with. So the first step is to check whether the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices. So here let's check the Bluetooth, it is enabled, and here we just need to turn on the Wi-Fi. And also, important step, check whether the personal hotspot is disabled, because if it's not, you would need to turn it off. So now I need to select my network on the other device. Here it is. And now just wait a couple of seconds till this device will suggest to share with me this password. And here is how it looks. So we just need to tap the share password button, wait a couple of seconds, and here is enter the password. So now it should connect to this network as well, and here we need to tap this done button. So here is how it looks. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.